Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. So for today's new video, I'm testing out or giving you my first impression, even though I have used it several times in multiple videos. I just haven't done a tutorial on it. It is the Brow Boss Gel by ColourPop. It is amazing, so if you want to know how it turned out, let's get started. Hey guys, so before I get showing you this Brow Boss Gel by ColourPop, this stuff is amazing. I'm going to time-lapse all of my makeup so I don't bore you guys, so I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, I time-lapsed all of my makeup except for my brows. And while I was off camera, I didn't even do this in the time-lapse. I took a what do you call it? An brow brush, that's what it's called. And I just brushed them up. So this is what it comes in a box like this. It's by ColourPop. It's called Brow Boss Gel by ColourPop. And I got it at Ulta Beauty for with tax it was $7.07 where I am from. And this is the color light brown. And I have darker brows, as you can see, but I put my foundation and everything all over my face. And so, so the girl who helped me at Ulta Beauty said that this color would go really well. So I have used this a bunch of times already in my tutorials, and I love this. So it doesn't say 3.10 ounces, so or 0.1 ounce, that's what it says. So I'm just gonna open it up. It comes in this little tube. It's like the best thing ever. I'm gonna untwist it. It's just kind of like mascara, but it's like for your brows. It's really cool. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit lighter. I'm gonna start right here and just start adding it in to my brows. So I have vitiligo, which is a skin pigment condition, and so it turns my hair white. I've had it since I was very young, and it even shows up in my brows. So this stuff is amazing for that. Do you see the difference from when I started till now? It's one easy, simple step, and I'm adding a little bit more today because I'm doing this video for you guys. Now, some people like them really dark, really bushy, but I don't. So I'm just doing it simple, but kind of dark. Now I do need to get my eyebrows done. trimmed, waxed, whatever you want to call it. I haven't done it for a while, and they need to be done. So I will show you what it looks like. Totally different. And I will insert pictures of before and after, and like you will see the transformation of it. It's totally amazing. And also, if you like my eyeshadow look, let me know, because I would love to do a tutorial on it. It was simple, easy, fast. So, and I just let it dry for about 10 to 30 seconds. I'm going to add a little bit more. I got it underneath my eyebrow. So, I don't know if you guys can see that. See, I add a little bit more. And I'm pretty sure that if I kept adding and adding, it would get more darker. But I think that this is the right amount for me. You can add more, you can add less, whatever you want to do. But this stuff is amazing. I advise you to go pick it up because it's like my favorite thing. So I will be back with the end result of this video. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of this brow Boss Gel by ColourPop, and this is how it turned out. I am obsessed. I love this. Like I just said, it's like my favorite thing, like, which is weird because I never used to do my brows. So if you have any questions, comments, if you've used this product, please let me know. If you tried it because you saw this video, please also let me know. And please don't forget to like this video, and please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.